So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now this is going to be the weekly recap where I show you guys how I did this past week in trading. And I also want to play some of the live clips this time because I definitely took a handful of trades this week. It was really nothing crazy. I didn't have any insane winners, but I think it will certainly be worth taking a look at the live clip. And after that, we'll go ahead and take a look at my trading journal and I'll break down each trade just briefly. So let's go ahead and get into it. So enjoy the live trading. I'm gonna try a short here. Sorry if you didn't hear my Discord talking, but this is a retest of 455 on the SPY. Just gonna give it a few points. Come on, I'm gonna get out of these two contracts here, and I'll just hold a runner. If I don't get filled here, that's just, I don't know what to say about that. There we go. Okay, we're starting to get this next leg down here. We're at the 59, so I'm just going to take profit, I think. Not bad for a little choppy day. Alright, I'm currently watching Google here. It made me doing a break and retest prior day low. I'm going to try some Google puts here. I'm going to try and be patient in this trade. You know, Google's not the fastest mover, but it has relative weakness compared to the market, so try and get some downside here. I'm not trading zeros today because they're just way too volatile. If we get a nice push through low a day here, I'm definitely scaling out of one of my contracts because I don't want to be holding this too long. Okay, I want to see more follow through than that. Definitely want to see some aggressive selling here. Nice. Excellent. Let's get out of one right there. Now, yeah, on this last contract, I do want to try and be patient. It might be tough, though. I mean, I'd hate to see this come all the way back up here. This certainly looks like it has some room down. Futures are starting to come down, too. Oh, that might have been a mistake. Oh, there's a break of the lows. I'm out. That was way too sketchy. Yeah, Google is just moving way too slow, man. I mean, we got out the, oh my word, such a small win. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at my journal. As you guys know, I use Notion. This is a nice little template where you can just put in all of your trades. And so yeah, this past week I took a handful of trades, definitely more than Thanksgiving week. I only ended up taking 3 trades last week because over Thanksgiving it was a little slow. But this week I took a few more, and as you can see, my results were not great. I was overall red on the week, although I was green on my new Apex account, just barely. But on Tuesday I did blow up the 25k account just because they had the deal running still, so I wanted to go ahead and get a new account. So let's go ahead and take a look at this first trade on Monday. It was a winner on ES. I went short off of a 1 minute fair value gap. We had a double top here and then it left behind a fair value gap. I'm going to go ahead and make this full screen. This was the gap here, and it was also 455 on the SPY. So it was based off SPY levels, but I took the trade on ES, went short here, scaled out here, and then took off the last contract there. Now on Tuesday, it was kind of a rough day. I took a loss on my options account. We take a look at the screenshot. I believe some people in my Discord took this as well. I mean, it's not my Discord, but it's the Discord that comes with the mastermind program that I'm in. It was a break and retest. I believe this was the after hours low or something. So I went short here and it just never really went my way. It's kind of unfortunate because I got stopped out here. And then after that, it did end up breaking the lows. So it could have been a winner, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm not even going to show you the NASDAQ losses. It was a complete disaster. I really just YOLO'd the account because I wanted to get a new one. So this is not actually a $1,000 loss. That's not real money at all. It's just an evaluation. On Wednesday was definitely the worst day of the week. Had a rough day trading options on my new Webull account. Now I thought the setups were decent. It just did not quite work out. Yeah, this This one was certainly frustrating because I stopped out and then again and went in my direction after that. I took longs off the pre-market high on Tesla, and my stop was really just if we get kind of below this low here. So I stopped out here because I'm like, okay, this is not looking bullish anymore. I just have to get out. But I think I should have waited for the candle close because after that it did go up and break the highs. So that was a disappointing loss. And then the same day I took a long on AMD. It was kind of a similar setup. This was a previous high, plus it was VWAP, so I went long here. Started to get a move in my favor. I wanted to sell at high a day, but we never got the high a day break, and sure enough, it came all the way back down, broke the level, so I stopped out. And yeah, that was not a fun trading day. Taking 2 losses in a row is never fun. But Thursday I took a short on Tesla. It ended up being break even. Yeah, so we kind of broke out of this wedge pattern. It formed a bear flag right under it, so I went short here. But then I saw that I think everything else was going straight down, but Tesla did not want to join in on the action. So I closed the trade at break even, so it was just kind of a scratch trade. Now on Friday, I had a green day on Friday, but the P&L results were very underwhelming. I went short on Google. This was a decent trade. Contracts did not move great. This was prior day low. We did a break and retest of it, so I went short here with 2 contracts. I sold one here, and then I held through the news, which I don't know, it's not always the smartest thing to do that. And then I just sold the second contract at these lows here. The news kind of spooked me, but it was a good sell, so made just a few dollars on that. And I took a short on ES, and this is on my new Apex account, the 50K one. So yeah, this was a decent setup. I sort of got an early entry, but basically we failed to stay above this supply high, came back down below VWAP and started to bear flag here. So when I saw this, I went short, and I had to hold through a pullback. My stop was above prior day close, which is this yellow line here. It was smart of me to be patient because this did give me the move I was looking for. It just didn't really have the follow through. So I scaled out here, and I had a limit order placed at the exact low of day here, and I never got it filled, and it came back up to break even. So that's why I only made 22 bucks on this trade, and it easily could have been 100, but that happens sometimes. So yeah, not the greatest week, honestly. I'm not too disappointed though, because I heard from a lot of other like pro traders on the internet that this November was like one of the hardest months this year, maybe in the past 2 years. So I know I'm not the only one that struggled this month, but anyway, yeah, I gotta wrap this video up because I gotta get to work soon. And then tonight I'll probably edit it, so it should be coming out today, possibly tomorrow morning. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you are enjoying these weekly recaps, and feel free to give me any feedback on my trades. If you think there's anything I could be doing better, please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments down below, and I would love to read it and reply to you. But for now, that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna keep on doing the same thing, probably 1 video a week, update you guys with where I'm at on my personal account as well as my Apex account. My goal was to pass by the end of the year, so we got a month left. We'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys updated. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.